Welcome to Candy Monsters, your learning partner.
Are you ready for a Wiggly underground adventure? Today we're diving into the hidden world of earthworms. These little creatures are underground explorers with some amazing superpowers. They're digging, munching, and helping the planet, all while staying hidden beneath our feet. Meet our Wiggly heroes, the earthworms. Did you know some worms can grow as long as a snake? But no matter the size, all worms help make the soil rich and healthy. Earthworms are soft and squishy with no legs or bones, but they're incredible at digging and making the earth more fertile. How do worms dig tunnels without legs? Well, they use their tiny, powerful muscles and special bristles on their bodies to push through the soil. These tiny bristles, called setae, act like little grips, helping worms move and stretch through the dirt. Worms are super recyclers. They love to eat dead plants and rotting leaves, but don't worry, they're not picky. They'll eat almost anything soft and squishy. By eating all this organic matter, they help break it down and turn it into rich, healthy soil. Worms are not just good at eating, they also help plants grow strong. Their tunnels allow water and air to reach plant roots, and their poop, called worm castings, is packed with nutrients. Without worms, plants would struggle to get the nutrients and oxygen they need to grow. It's time for some worm facts. Did you know that worms don't have eyes, but they can sense light and darkness? And crazy fact, worms can live for several years in the wild. Some worms are even hermaphrodites, which means they have both boy and girl parts. That's super cool. Wasn't that a Wiggly adventure? Worms are so cool, right? Tell us what you learned today in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this fun video with your friends so we can have more Wiggly adventures together.
Subscribe to Candy Monsters, your learning partner.